Hey guys, Dan World of Mr. Grey, Dandalf the Grey, finally back with something like a breakdown. I just spent the last hour and a half trying to get the Connect. This bloody thing to work. But I had it working before. I don't know what I've done. I'm getting an error code 1920 failed to start or something. It's really annoying because I was going to do Connect stuff. But I can't get it to work. So, but anyway, so I thought, because I haven't done it for so long, we're going to do a breakdown analysis. I've changed the light in again. I'm trying it up there this time instead of there. Because when it was there, I couldn't see the camera, but now I can see the camera. But it's like, everything's dark and gloomy. I love it. I keep looking up there for the camera, I don't know why. So I'm just going to go. Those new here. The breakdown was just not so much full-blown debunking. They're like where I look for clips to find what's the point in going into that detail in that video. That video there looks interesting. As it's been a while, I'm gonna look at Sir Spooks because I gotta start somewhere, aren't I? 2 months ago, I watched the Sir Spooks video. There's so many to choose from. I'm going to go for 5 scary videos you can't watch at 3 a.m. It's only 7:30 in the night. So I think I'm safe. Ow. Hello everyone, my name is Sir Spooks and today we'll take a look at 5 scary videos. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel. As I always forget, please go to the link I have linked down below, go to Sir Spooks, watch this video first, like and subscribe, whatever you want to do. I won't hit the mic like that anymore. And we'll see what we can see. I'm a bit mad because that Connect pissed me off. Sorry.
For more scary content. I have a goal of reaching 1 million subscribers, so it would mean a lot to me if you could help me get there.
How much is he on? 888,000. He's not far off.
Alright, with that said, let's begin.
I'm ready, Spooks.
A lot of the posts that get uploaded to the immense popular ghost subreddit get a handful of likes here and there with people commenting on them with their various...
I can barely see that. For those new here, by the way, I pause a lot, I talk a lot. Tough.
opinions and theories. But this post that you're about to see, uploaded
really
by the user
Unicorn1C,
has amassed an absolutely staggering 13,000 likes since its upload just 6 days ago at the time of writing this. This time of the year there's maybe 6 apartments occupied as all the rest are used for summer holidays. My apartment is on the ground floor and my only direct neighbors are not there. Hardly anyone walks on the back during the night. I'm currently away from home for work, and when the cleaner went there yesterday I asked her to set up the camera just for security. Video was about 2 or 3 hours after she left, just after sunset.
I'm still not listening.
Since then, there's been countless videos of smoke and strange sounds like bang.
I think I seriously have a problem sometimes in concentrating. I think I should get tested.
And others that sound like voices. I really need your input as I'm terrified of going back home now. End quote.
Right, what do we see? Is that it?
The security camera video was certainly quite interesting.
Is that it? All of that for a puff of bloody smoke? If I was paying attention to what you're saying, I'd be really annoyed.
What in the world is causing that plume of smoke to roll into this person's place? If this is some kind of paranormal entity, then it's not like most ones, that's for sure. What do you think could possibly be going on here? Do you think that a paranormal spirit is to blame here? If so, what do you think about the big plumes of smoke? Let me know in the comments below.
A draft blew some dust through the room. 2. An inserted animated dust effect with the opacity drawn down. I don't know. I don't know what else to say about that. I thought it was going to be more, truth be told. First clip not debunked. Or bollocks, one of them, I don't know.
Okay, pop quiz time. What's this ad read going to be about? It's not...
it's going to be Raid Shadow Legends. I'm gonna guess Raid Shadow Legends, because everybody does Raid Shadow Legends. Ready?
A VPN. No, it's not a new set of headphones. Bingo, it's Raid Shadow Legends. You've heard the name, but do you actually know what you're missing out on here? I'm talking hundreds of champions to collect,
oh, bollocks. I was so sure I was gonna guess that right then, because 9 times out of 10 is always Raid Shadow Legends. Everybody gets bloody sponsored by them.
This TikTok user named Darcy Adam was just enjoying his stay, relaxing and hanging around when he noticed something absolutely terrifying going on across the street from him that left him petrified. He explains that the house opposite his mom's is empty and has been up for sale for 6 months. However, it seems like it won't be getting sold anytime soon if the potential new homeowners see the following clip.
Okay. What? You mean the girl in the bathroom probably brushing her teeth before she goes to school? Are we just accepting everything we see now as spooky? Are we just taking random videos of just the most mundane things and uploading them to spooky Reddits so that people say, "Oh my god, that person's eating a hot dog"? Terrifying. Are we just accepting this right now? I know I've been away for like a couple of weeks, but god damn it. I thought I would like reinvigorate my unjadedness for spooky clips. Clearly not. It's just... she's probably brushing her teeth, ready to go to school, or it's her bedroom, and some creepy little shit is filming them from across his house. People get locked up for that. Don't do it. Don't film your bloody neighbours. That neighbour, the one filming, probably knows that person. Don't film your neighbours. God.
As you can see, there's clearly something inside the house, almost looking like a ghost girl, but we obviously...
Or a girl! I gotta stop getting annoyed. It's my first breakdown back and I'm getting
can't
annoyed
be sure.
already.
Is it just a girl standing there in a strangely eerie manner, or are we actually dealing with the paranormal? Of course, there are lots of possible different theories here, so I'm curious to hear what you guys think. Do you guys think that this was just a random person in the window,
Yes.
or was this a creepy paranormal entity that was roaming around? Either way, I pray for the
I'll make a little thing, right? If I don't in this, it's gone 6 minutes already. There's 7 minutes left of this video, right? If I don't see something stupidly creepy which could be debunked, I'm gonna do a little dance off at the end of the video. All right. So far, nothing.
who moves into this place next. If you've seen tons of science fiction movies involving aliens and UFOs, then you know that the UFOs in movies are almost always depicted as being extremely loud. Footage in question was filmed all the way back in 2008 in Houston, Texas, in a man's backyard in the middle of the day.
2008, this was filmed, so this is going to be amazing footage, as we know. A silent UFO hovers over a man's backyard. Oh, excuse me. In 2008 in Houston, Texas, at the end you hear his dog barking at it.
The video in question is quite baffling, so let's have a look and see what's going on here.
It's that pixelated, right? It could absolutely be a lamppost with the light at the top, and I don't know. Or it could be added in. It's so pixelated, you could add anything into that white background, because there wasn't any movement to that UFO. But I don't know. It's too shit to tell. Unless it flies off now, I think it's just a stationary object. And because of the pixelation... No, it's not moving. The movement is him jolting the camera, by the way. Okay, so the stabilization didn't work very well because it's too pixelated and the footage way too bloody shaky. He's like that to film in it. But it still looks like it's completely stationary compared to the roof. But who am I to say? Who am I to say?
As you can see, the UFO in question is clearly hovering around the man's backyard for a good long while. But oddly enough, the UFO is not making any sound whatsoever.
Do you know what I also think could be happening as well, mind? That the footage was actually on a tripod and they filmed the sky and then inserted the UFO into it and then added shaky cam. It could be that and they overdone it on the shakiness. It could be that, but I'm not 100%, so I'm just going to move on. Jesus Christ, I'm going to be jumping. Number 2.
This next video was published to YouTube on August 8th, 2020 by a channel known as JBish26 and shows some seriously frightening and unsettling stuff that was captured on a Wise camera. In the description of the post, the uploader says that at the time of this video's recording, he was on vacation for 4 days in Oregon when he suddenly got this alert on his phone saying that there was something detected on his camera. This is what the camera captured.
Let's have a look at it. What am I looking at? Was something supposed to move then? I wasn't sure. It's a ghost kid. Mr. J. Bish. Where is he? 3 years ago, bloody hell. I've been on vacation 4 days in Oregon. This was taken to my house by the Wise camera in Washington State. Calypsoverse, you can't get nothing past Calypsoverse. If you can look very close, you can see somebody peeking. No shit. I mean, we're taking his word for it that he's away. Is that? Or there was a burglar in his house. Do I think it's a ghost? No, I don't. Did I debunk anything? No, I didn't. Just looking closer to that dance off, for God's sake. I don't know what else to say about it. It's something peeking around the corner. Absolutely. But there are variables we have to take into account. 1, could be lying, probably. 2, his house could be getting done over while he's in Oregon. That's the long trail. I've seen the Oregon Trail. 3, same as 1, probably lying. I don't know. There's nothing to debunk. There's something peeking around the corner. Number 1.
A TikTok video that was published on October 22nd, 2020.
I haven't watched TikTok for a while. I'm not going to get annoyed at TikTok. I'm really not going to get annoyed at TikTok. I love TikTok.
3. By a user by the name of Magical Poltergeist. Posted...
I mean, there's a premise there already. They call themselves Magical Poltergeist. He or she is doing... I think it's she. So, well, they, whatever. Is some sort of seance. So there's a, what's it called? A pretext.
Home security camera footage to his account that's sure to make you lose a bit of sleep tonight. In the footage, we watch as the uploader's wife sleepwalks down into the kitchen late at night.
Oh, okay.
Kind of weird, but it's nothing out of the ordinary, right? Sleepwalking happens a lot to a ton of people. But as you're about to see, this is no ordinary sleepwalking incident, not even remotely. Take a look at what happens when the woman takes a seat at one of the kitchen chairs right about here.
Unless she flies across the room, I'm just going to say she's sleepwalking. Although, yeah, before we can get into it, we know Lee really haunted. He always sleepwalks in his bloody videos. Sleepwalks. So, yeah. If her head does a 180 and the body stays there, I'll be impressed. Is there going to be a jump scare coming? Ah, okay.
3 chairs can be seen moving randomly before an ominous shadow.
No, the problem with those Wise cameras, if there's... I mean, I'm guessing there's strings pulling those chairs, but the problem with the Wise cameras, you won't see them. You will not see them, especially in night vision. And if you got like magician's wire, you just won't see them. So, is it a poltergeist? Maybe. Is it someone pulling it with string off camera? Probably. Are they doing the same thing as Lee from Real Haunted? Possibly. Hang on, wait there. Magical poltergeist. Magical poltergeist. TikTok. Is it the same person? Let me guess. Hang on.
Hi guys, I'm Liz.
And I'm Jorge.
Is it?
Go.
He messages me soon because I'm trying to get.
It is! This channel has been debunked mainly by Purple. He done a couple of videos on, I think I've featured this channel at some point as well in a couple of videos a couple of months back. Purple also did as well, and he saw the exact part where they clipped the mask in and didn't mask it in entirely correctly, and you could see it clipping into things. This is the same one because I recognize that living room. So there you go. That last one was debunked months ago, mainly by Purple. I think he did a better job at debunking it than anyone I've seen so far, that particular clip. That particular channel, I should say. It's very well done, but there you go. So we know now that the Sleepwalking is just similar to what Lee from Really Haunted does. I didn't debunk anything, did I? Because I can't call the last one a debunking of mine because Purple already done it. Even though I did feature that channel a couple of months ago. I can't remember what I said. But Purple, so far, has done the best debunk on that. God. So, I didn't debunk anything. That was a breakdown analysis of Sir Spooks' scary visits to watch at 3 AM. I watched them at 8 PM. They didn't scare me. I didn't exactly do a debunk myself, so, you know, I suppose I gotta do it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you like this video. Leave a sub if you're new to my channel. I do this quite often. I'm gonna sign out.